Intro. An in-depth look at a thrilling recent discovery as Ernest Shackletow's long-lost ship Endurance is finally found more than a century after it was trapped in polar ice and sank into the frigid waters of the Antarctic. Doomsday Glacier. It's basically a giant piece of ice in Antarctica that is rapidly melting, and now scientists believe they know when and why it started to thaw. But what kind of impact does the glacier have on the world? Antarctica, the icy continent at the bottom of the world, is not just home to ice and penguins. Explorers have uncovered unsettling discoveries beneath its surface that challenge our understanding of the world. Researchers have discovered the British ship called Endurance, the vessel that launched one of the most remarkable stories of survival and determination. From mysterious ancient anomalies to strange underground lakes, these findings reveal a hidden world of fascinating secrets. Join me in today's video as we embark on an expedition to explore Antarctica's top 15 most intriguing discoveries. Number 15, the Endurance. Endurance is widely recognized as one of the most famous shipwrecks in history. It was the vessel utilized in the ill-fated Imperial Trans-Antarctic expedition led by Sir Ernest Shackleton, with the goal of traversing the entire continent of Antarctica. The ship was christened after Shackleton's family motto, "By endurance we conquer." In 1914, the Endurance embarked from South Georgia Island toward the Weddell Sea on the eastern side of Antarctica. Unfortunately, the ship became ensnared in the ice of the Weddell Sea in January 1915, long before the expedition could commence. Despite the crew's relentless efforts to free the ship from the ice grip, the pressure of the ice eventually caused the Endurance to be crushed and sunk. Despite this setback, Shackleton and his crew managed to survive on drifting ice floes for several months, eventually reaching Elephant Island. From there, Shackleton and a small group set out in a lifeboat to seek help, leading to a remarkable rescue mission and the ultimate survival of the entire crew. The discovery of the Endurance wreckage in March 2022 was a significant news story, as the ship had been hidden beneath the ice for over a century. In February 2021, an expedition located the sunken vessel at a depth of approximately 10,000 feet in the Weddell Sea. Although not in its original state, the ship was remarkably well preserved, offering valuable insights into the conditions and materials used in polar exploration during the early 20th century. This discovery reignited interest in Shackleton's ill-fated expedition and the incredible feats of endurance and survival by the crew. Number 14, strange bacterium. The frigid desolation of Antarctica has revealed a groundbreaking discovery, a new form of life in the form of bacteria that can survive solely on compounds found in the atmosphere. This revelation, brought to light by scientists from the University of New South Wales in Australia, has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of life's possibilities on other planets. These resilient microbes can thrive in the harsh conditions of Antarctica, feeding off hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide to sustain themselves. Their ability to endure extreme temperatures, drought, darkness, ultraviolet radiation, and freeze-thaw cycles raises intriguing questions about their survival mechanisms. Through genomic analysis of soil samples from Robinson's Ridge and Adams Flat, scientists identified two previously unknown bacterial groups, WWPS-2 and ADA3. The high affinity of these bacteria for hydrogen and carbon monoxide allows them to extract these gases from the air to sustain life, even in the absence of traditional energy sources like sunlight and geothermal energy. This unprecedented revelation of an air-eating life form challenges our conventional understanding of life forms and their survival strategies in extreme environments. Number 13, Ghost Mountains. When mountains come to mind, we envision towering peaks that reach high into the sky. Mountain ranges often serve as the picturesque backdrop for many breathtaking locations and destinations. The most adventurous individuals will even dare to explore the treacherous crags in the name of scientific research and the thrill of adrenaline. Beneath the icy surface of Antarctica lies a jagged mountain range that bears resemblance to the majestic European Alps. This revelation hints at the remarkably rapid formation of the colossal ice sheet, challenging previous assumptions and raising concerns about the far-reaching consequences of global warming on sea levels. Equipped with radar and gravity sensors, scientists embarked on an unprecedented mapping expedition of the subglacial mountains in the Gamburtsev region. The prevailing expectation was to encounter a relatively flat plateau. However, what they discovered was a landscape adorned with peaks and valleys echoing the grandeur of the European Alps. F.A. Facoli, a geophysicist from the British Antarctic Survey, remarked that the presence of these untouched jagged peaks suggested that the ice sheet had formed rapidly, preserving the rugged terrain beneath up to 2.2 miles of ice. This revelation marks the beginning of a new chapter in our understanding of ice sheet behavior. Number 12. Doomsday Glacier. Antarctica's Thwaites Glacier, often ominously referred to as the Doomsday Glacier, is a massive ice formation situated in the western region of the continent. It has gained international attention due to its potential to cause a significant rise in sea levels, leading some to speculate about its catastrophic impact on the planet. Thwaites Glacier spans approximately 75 miles at its widest point. What distinguishes it is its rapid ice flow and its function as a barrier holding back a substantial portion of the West Antarctic ice sheet. If Thwaites Glacier were to retreat or collapse significantly, it could set off a chain reaction, causing neighboring glacier to flow into the ocean and elevate global sea levels. The ominous nickname Doomsday Glacier underscores the serious concerns surrounding Thwaites. While the exact timeline and extent of potential sea level rise remain uncertain, scientists are acutely aware of the glacier's fragility. Warm ocean waters have been eroding its floating ice shelf from below, leading to the retreat of its grounding line, the point where the glacier meets the sea. Thwaites Glacier plays a crucial role in the Antarctic ecosystem, and its behavior has significant implications for coastal areas worldwide. While it may not be the sole indicator of a doomsday scenario, it serves as a stark reminder of the impacts of climate change. Predicting its behavior poses a formidable challenge, and ongoing research aims to unravel the complex processes governing the fate of this colossal ice formation. Number 11. The Giant Pyramid. The discovery of the Great Pyramid in Antarctica has perplexed scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. It remains one of the most enduring mysteries in recent years. This colossal structure, seemingly buried beneath the ice, challenges our understanding of the continent's geological history and raises questions about possible ancient civilizations that may have inhabited the region. In 2009, satellite imagery revealed the alleged pyramid, sparking widespread curiosity and debate. The massive formation closely resembles the iconic pyramids of Egypt, with its four distinct triangular sides. The symmetry and size of the structure are striking, leading some to speculate that it cannot be a natural formation. The location of the Antarctic pyramid is particularly intriguing, as Antarctica is known for its harsh climate and uninhabited wilderness, making it an unlikely place for such a monumental construction. The presence of the pyramid challenges our understanding of the continent's history and suggests the possibility of a lost civilization that thrived in Antarctica long before it became the frozen wasteland we know today. Various theories about the Antarctic pyramid abound. Some believe it is evidence of an ancient civilization with advanced technology, while others suggest it may have extraterrestrial origins. Skeptics argue that the pyramid-like shape could be the result of natural processes or an optical illusion caused by the play of light and shadows in the satellite image. Regardless of its authenticity, the idea of a pyramid in the cold reaches of Antarctica is certainly thought-provoking.